If you need to program a remote to open your gate, and your gate opener is a 10-year-old USAutomatic Patriot 1, this is how you do it. If you read the manual, it says that in order to program the remote, you need to press the Learn button. However, when I opened up the unit, I expected the Learn button to be on this thing, and there was no button that says Learn. So I watched several YouTube videos, finally found out that every one of these units has a receiver, which is what receives the signal from the remote control, but I never could see the receiver unit. So I finally decided to remove this metal box, which was just Velcroed on, and remove the cover, and found another board. And although there is still no Learn button, there is a button right here that says S1 Program. So, when I press that button, a yellow light comes on, which I assume now means that we're in Learn mode. And on my Raynor remote, I just press the button that I want to learn, and press it again, and now the gate opens.